guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome back to Precious Lifestyle. In today's video, I'm doing different video, guys. I know. I'm going to be teaching you guys how I bake my meat pie. Yeah.
The ingredients which you will need for your meat pie. First of all, you need your minced meat. This meat, after getting after I bought my normal meat, so this beef, after I bought the beef, I just give it to them to blend it. And you can also buy the blended one already from any shop. And this one is my Irish potato. So this Irish potato, you just have to peel it and dice it. After peeling it and then dice it. This is my carrots. You see, the carrot you have to peel. After peeling it, you also dice it. And I'm going to be using this butter. This is my butter. And here I have 3 eggs. I might not be using all, or I might use all, because if I'm missing it, I'm going to be using 1 egg. And you know, when you are baking, after putting everything in the oven, you also need your egg to rub it so that you have that shine meat pie. So here's my 1 kilo flour. This is my cube, and this is my I hope you guys can see it. This is my salt. I'm just going to be having a little quantity of salt to eat with this one. I'm adding it to when I'm going to make the sauce. And this is my baking powder. I hope you guys can see it. This is my baking powder. And this is my milk. You know, some people like using water, but I prefer using milk so that you have that soft my meat pie. So that's the reason I'm using my milk. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be making the dough now. So before you make your dough, you just have to put a hole in between. So on this bowl now, I'm going to be having my I'm going to be having my cube stuck inside, and you mix and you add your baking powder. Okay guys, this is my baking powder, and sorry, I'm going to be making 2 kilo. Before I showed to you 1 kilo, but now I'm going to be making 2 kilos. Now I will be adding 2 tablespoons. This is my first one. Just 1 pack is a spoon, is a tablespoon. So this is the second. This is the second one. Now guys, I will be adding a teaspoon. I'm going to be eyeballing it, but for those beginners, you can just take your teaspoon and measure it and how to eat. But I just eyeball it. So guys, now what you will do now, after you have mixed all the dry ingredients, you just have to mix everything together. Then guys, after mixing, you just also put a hole in between, and you add your egg you have already whisked. You add it, then you mix it together. Guys, normally I was supposed to add my butter first. This is my 1 kilo butter. I'm supposed to add and before you use your butter, please guys, make sure it's already on room temperature. When you are using it, it should be on room temperature. It should not be blocked. I was supposed to add my butter first before I add my egg, but still it's still going to be okay. I added 2 eggs, like 1 kilo butter to eat. So you keep mixing it guys till you get a soft everything cooperates together. So guys, I'm going to be adding the other butter to it to make it 1 kg butter. So I mix the first one first, then I'm adding the other one because they are all 500. little veggie oil. Very, very little. Very, very little. I hope you guys can see, like, very little. So now guys, I'm going to be adding my meat. So now guys, I'm going to be adding a little water for the meat to cook. Then just, yes guys, it's cooked already. So now I'm going to be adding the carrot. You know the carrot is a bit strong, so I'm going to be adding the carrot first. Just stir it. You know, I'm making a lot. My Irish potato. So guys, I add my Irish potato already. You just have to stir to mix everything together. I'm not adding my stock now. I'll wait a little bit. After 2 minutes, then I'll add my stock and my salt to it. I'm going to be adding my stock to it. Hey, I just can't wait to eat this meat pie. Like, I just can't wait because it's very yummy, guys. Very, very yummy. I'm adding my salt. So I'm going to be adding a little water to it so that it can cook very well. Guys, I'm going to be making my thick now. It's still a little bit watery, so I'm going to make it thick now. This is my little water, and I'm going to be adding like a spoon or 2 spoons to this water of a spoon of flour. Then I'll mix. You see the reason I'm going to be making the thicker. You see there's still a little bit water on the food, so that's why I'm going to be adding the thickness. Then after adding, you just have to stir. And guys, if you think the thickness is not okay, you want it to be very thick, you can still add more flour to your water and you are good to go. But for me, this is already okay for me. Yes everyone, this is my dough now. You see, after mixing it, this is it. It's very floppy. You have to, after I finish mixing it, I just have to leave it for about 5 minutes, and this is how it is, you know. And I just take a little dough now. Then I'm going to, without, if you don't have meat pie cutter, you can also do it this way by rolling it. You see guys, just roll it a little bit. I have already enough that is rolled here. Then after you finish rolling it, what you will do, just take your already cooked sauce and you apply it to this one. Water to it now to lock it, because if you didn't add water to it, sometimes after baking you see this place it will be open. Hey guys, forget about the table now, just concentrate on the meat pie. So that is the most important one. Try to learn and forget about if the table is beautiful or not. So then you take your fork and just press it on it. If you stick it to it, just add it to your flour. And you see as I'm doing it now, and then if you want to do some little design on it, just hook it like this. Oh wow, so beautiful. If you want to spread something with it like A or something, just do something like this. You see, very beautiful. You see guys, I already put some in the oven. I can also, let me open it for you guys to see. Wow, so beautiful. So I just put 2 inside now. After it has baked a little bit, what I will do, I will bring it out.
Hi guys, this is the end of the video. This is the meat pie guys. It looked yummy, it looked beautiful, and it looked yummy guys. That's the meat pie. Wow. Yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video.